Hello, everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about animal cells 50 questions and answers. I wish you good luck with your exam. Let's start. 1. Question: what is the basic structural and functional unit of life in animals? A. Animal cell. 2. Question: what is the outermost layer of an animal cell? A. Cell membrane. 3. Question: what is the jelly-like substance inside the cell membrane? Cytoplasm. 4. Question: what is the control center of an animal cell? A. Nucleus. 5. Question: what are the tiny organelles responsible for protein synthesis? A. Ribosomes. 6. Question: what is the network of membranous tubules and sacs involved in protein modification and transport? A. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER. 7. Question: what are the small membranous sacs that store and transport materials? A. Vesicles. 8. Question: what is the organelle responsible for generating energy for the cell through cellular respiration? A. Mitochondria. 9. Question: what are the rod-like structures that provide support and shape to the cell? A. Cytoskeleton. 10. Question: what is the fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane? A. A model describing the cell membrane as a fluid phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Q11. What is the function of lysosomes? A. Cellular digestion and recycling. Q12. What are centrioles involved in? A. Cell division and cilia formation. Q13. What is the function of the Golgi apparatus? A. Protein modification and transport. Q14. What are the three main parts of an animal cell? A. Cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Q15. What is the function of the nucleus? A. DNA storage and transcription. Q16. What is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Q17. What is the function of the cytoskeleton? A. Support, shape, and movement. Q18. What are microtubules composed of? A. Tubulin proteins. Q19. What is the function of microfilaments? Muscle contraction and cell movement. Q20. What is the function of intermediate filaments? A. Structural support and mechanical strength. Q21. What is the function of tight junctions? A. Cell adhesion and barrier formation. Q22. What is the function of desmosomes? A. Cell adhesion and mechanical strength. Q23. What is the function of gap junctions? A. Cell-cell communication. Q24. What is the difference between plant and animal cells? Plant cells have a cell wall and chloroplasts. Q25. What is the function of the cell membrane? A. Protection, transport, and cell signaling. Q26. What is the fluid mosaic model? A. A model describing the cell membrane as a fluid phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Q27. What are the different types of cell transport? Passive, diffusion, osmosis, and active transport. Q28. What is the difference between endocytosis and exocytosis? A. Endocytosis is cellular uptake. Exocytosis is cellular secretion. Q29. What is the function of the cytoplasm? A. Cellular processes and organelle suspension. Q30. What is the function of the nucleolus? Ribosome synthesis. Q31. What is the difference between DNA and RNA? A. DNA is double-stranded. RNA is single-stranded. Q32. What is the central dogma? A. DNA-RNA-protein. Q33. What is the function of transcription? A. DNA to RNA synthesis. Q34. What is the function of translation? A. RNA to protein synthesis. Q35. What are the three types of RNA? A. mRNA, tRNA, rRNA. Q36. What is the function of mRNA? A. Carries genetic information from DNA to ribosomes. Q37. What is the function of tRNA? Brings amino acids to ribosomes during translation. Q38. What is the function of rRNA? A. Makes up ribosomes. Q39. What is the difference between meiosis and mitosis? Meiosis is for sexual reproduction. Mitosis is for asexual reproduction. Q40. What is the purpose of cell division? A. Growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. Q41. What are the stages of the cell cycle? Interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. Q42. What is the function of checkpoints in the cell cycle? A. Ensure proper cell division and prevent errors. Q43. What is apoptosis? A. Programmed cell death. Q44. What is the difference between necrosis and apoptosis? Necrosis is uncontrolled cell death. Apoptosis is controlled cell death. Q45. What are the functions of the extracellular matrix? Support, structure, cell signaling, and tissue development. Q46. What are the three main components of the extracellular matrix? A. Collagen, elastin, and proteoglycans. Q47. What is the difference between connective tissue and epithelial tissue? Connective tissue supports and connects. Epithelial tissue forms linings and glands. Q48. What are the functions of stem cells? A. Differentiation, tissue repair, and regeneration. Q49. What is the potential of induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs? A. To differentiate into any cell type, potentially revolutionizing regenerative medicine. Q50. What is the significance of the nuclear envelope? Separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm, regulates molecular transport, and supports chromatin structure. Let me know in the comments, did you like the video? And also let me know what videos you want to help you in your study. And also subscribe the channel.